Guys, the Feds have turned the money printers on again. This is Hamza. I've been trading for almost 2 decades. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise. Guys, I want to talk to you all about inflation today, how it's going to affect everybody. This is going to be a serious talk. It's not like my other videos. Guys, the Feds, I was thinking they were going to start printing money next year, but it looks like they've started this year as early as this month. They're just going to start printing money. And it looks like it's going to increase the cost for everything, guys. The dollar is going to lose value, right? It's, for example, your monthly grocery, right? If it was costing like $500, maybe now it's going to cost $550 or $600, depending on how the inflation goes. So we're going to have a decreased purchasing power. Your savings are going to deplete faster. There is a wage stagnation rate, because if there's an inflation and the wages are not increasing at the same pace, then obviously the standard of living is going to go down. A lot of people have already been priced out of this real estate market. It's very concerning. I know it looks good right now that they're printing money, but guys, this is how it goes. I've lived through the 2008 crash, and then during the COVID times, they were crazy. I bought a property in 2021. I was looking to buy some, and then in Southern California, Orange County, LA County, houses were going for like crazy over asking pricing, right? Bay Area, same thing. There were 10, 20, 30 offers on houses just because there was so much money floating around. It's basically like $1 million would buy you like a really good house in Orange County or Southern California a few years ago, like before COVID. But then after COVID, once they started the money printing, it's like now everybody has so much money, they just want to buy because they know the money is going to lose value, so they want to invest in a tangible asset. And real estate, it's the biggest thing they want to invest, right? So they were just coming to buy, and there was one house at 900,000. It got sold at 1.4 million. That's over 50% over asking, right? And it was happening, and I'm afraid it's gonna start happening again because after COVID, everything got so expensive. If you guys go grocery shopping, right, you guys know what I'm talking about. Everything from from your, I used to buy this olive oil, which used to be $20 for 2 bottles. Right now it's $45 for 1 bottle. That was at Costco. So the interest rates were low, so obviously people were able to borrow money, but then people got in, and then the interest rates right now, they were really high. So if you buy a house right now, your payment's going to be higher. So it's just like a house which is 500,000 right now, maybe next year it's going to be 525, and then people who are just potential buyers, they're just going to get priced out of the market, guys. Even rental market right now, for a minimum wage, it's very hard. I can talk about California, but even other states, it's very hard to afford rent right now. For a family of 4 in California, 100,000, it's like a low income right now. So it's just, inflation is just decreasing the value of your money. It's just reducing your ability to buy the same amount of goods that you were buying before, and then if you're earning the same amount and inflation is high, you're just going to notice that, either your standard of living is going to go down, or you're just not going to be able to afford a lot of the stuff. People invest in assets to get protected from inflation, right? They would invest in real estate, stocks, or other securities. But right now, guys, it's not easy, because I know a lot of people are hurting right now. There's been so many layoffs and everything. It's not an easy video to make, but I still wanted to make it, right? I know I don't have a lot of following. I don't know if it's going to reach so many people, but this is hurting right now. That it's killing the American dream for most of the people. Guys, I just want to talk. I just wanted to come have this talk, right? It was a long day. I was out. I got back and I thought, hey, let's have this conversation, right? Let me talk to you all about what's happening right now, so you guys are prepared. Uh, Guys, if you have not yet, subscribe to the channel. Click on the link below, so we can talk. You can book a free consult with me on how to invest in Dubai real estate. The barrier to entry is actually very much lower than the US. It's still very underpriced, and there are many options for people to get in right now, so they can grow their portfolios and they can build wealth, they can generate wealth. There's a lot of people who are already priced out of the markets in US and other places, but here you can still do that, right? I'll help many people do it, right? And I can help you guys too. There's no strings attached. I'm not charging you anything. Just have this talk. Let's see where you stand, and I'll be glad if I can help you all out in building a portfolio, and we can yeah, we could just make this thing happen. I know a lot of people in the US, they don't know how the market here works, how people are making crazy returns. But if you guys want, this is a very good opportunity that I don't think you guys should miss out on. So yeah, click on that link. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time, guys. Take care, and have a wonderful day.